Let's make some tres leches cake. You're gonna need 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you wanna separate in 2 different bowls 5 large egg yolks and egg whites. So you'll have a bowl of egg yolks and a bowl of egg whites. Then you want to add 3/4 cup of sugar to the bowl of egg yolks and mix it on high speed until the yolks and the sugar turn into a pale yellow. Then you want to add 1/3 cup of whole milk to the mixture and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you mix that up. Then you want to pour the egg yolk mixture over the flour mixture and stir very gently just until it's combined, but don't overmix it. Now you beat the egg whites on high speed until you see stiff peaks. Just like this, and then you add 1/4 cup of sugar to that and you mix it up a little bit more. This is what you should have when you're done, and then you gradually fold in the beaten egg whites into the batter very gently, scraping the bottom and the sides until everything is combined. Now you're ready to put the batter onto your pan. I grease it. Some people do not grease their pans, but I just find it's better. And then you put it in the oven at 350 for 25 to 35 minutes. I kept it in for about 30 minutes. And when it's cooled, you poke some holes into the batter and then you can start making your tres leches. For the milk mixture, you'll need 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and then 1/4 cup of whole milk. And then you mix that up in a bowl and you can start pouring onto the cake. Once all of the milk is poured onto the cake, you can cover it up and put it in the fridge for at least an hour. It's even better if you keep it there overnight so that the cake can soak up all of the milky goodness. And then for the topping, you're gonna want heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you just beat this until you form like a whipped cream. Then you can spread it on the cake. The thing I like about this cake is that you can basically decorate it however you want with every occasion. For Christmas, I made Santa hats with strawberries and I just decorated with whipped cream. Since we celebrated July 4th, I decided to make an American flag, so I used blueberries and strawberries. A lot of people use raspberries because it might be a little easier. I didn't have raspberries, so I just cut up some strawberries and made little stripes. And here are the results. I hope everyone had an amazing July 4th, and God bless America.